So we're driving up and we saw this really bizarre looking thing in the middle of nowhere. We're surrounded by a whole bunch of uh what are they? Non set off explosive signs.
Yeah, warning, explosive ammunition. Do not trespass.
And we have no idea what this thing looks like. It's kind of like a rocket or maybe a ship. I don't know.
Maybe a building or something.
But if you happen to know what this is, would you put your answer in the comments below?
We are now at the Castle Dome City Museum. Castle Dome Mine Museum is a preserved Old West mining town and ghost town museum in Yuma County, Arizona. The site sits on one of the state's longest working mining districts, active from the 1860s through the late 20th century, producing rich deposits of silver, lead, and other minerals. Look at the fountain. It's got a Santa hat on it. Today, more than 50 original and restored buildings, including a saloon, a schoolhouse, a sheriff's office, hotel, and a general store, showcase frontier life during Arizona's mining boom era. It's a saloon. Mining 1858 to present. Well, mining bags and the ore that they pulled out. Lead, silver ore, galena, chrysocolla. High explosive, dangerous box. It's a explosive box lid. £300 silver galena. There are spots on this floor that feel like they're giving away a little bit. Some of the mining equipment. Recorder's office. Mucking rake, 1870. Miner's notes. Harnesses for the horses. Hercules powder, high explosive. Is that like a printer's press?
Yeah, it's printer's press.
Cool.
And then here's all of your typesets. Where you get different letters and different keys, different stamps.
This is where they made the paper.
Yeah. This is not a printing press. This is a hydraulic.
Whatever.
Well, so this is the hydraulic force. Hydraulic.
It's another saloon. Little office. Looks like a bedroom over there.
Get you.
Hmm? This is the blacksmith.
Tools. Ooh, this old fire. I've never seen one of these in real life. It flew like that.
Neither have I.
It's got the leather pieces in it and everything.
Yeah. I'm gonna go check out the machine works real quick. That way leads to some more buildings down over that way. This is the machine works building right here. Wow. All the pulleys and stuff. That's a big vise.
Some nice dresses. Process of working or making kind of lace by looping and knotting cotton together. The Giant Power Company, those are different. Giant Power Company, Victory is power. Cart. Say there's 1, stop, 2, down, 3 up, 1 down, 2 to 20, 12.
Must have been where they sifted the stuff out of the ground.
Yeah. This is a sluice box.
That doesn't look good. I want to thank you all so much for coming with us to check out the Castle Dome Museum. And if you're ever in Arizona, it's between Yuma and Quartzsite, and we encourage you to check it out. And if you like off-roading adventures, consider subscribing or becoming a channel member. And we'll see you next time. Crazy.
But the whole ground is like this sand.
Black sand.
Yeah, it's not really black, kind of like gray.
Yeah, it's almost like we're on another planet.